What's going on, guys, and welcome to Nice World TV. I hope everyone is doing absolutely great because this video we've got is absolutely huge. So in this video, what we'll be doing is looking exactly how to build a Shopify store from scratch. That means no coding, no technology headaches, whether you're launching a clothing brand, drop shipping gadgets, or selling homemade products. I'll walk you through every single step you need to launch confidently. But in this tutorial, we will cover a whole range of different topics. You know what? Let me list all of them to you. Number one we have is a store setup. Then we'll jump to theme customizations. Then we'll look at a bit of adding products, then payments, then shipping, then domains, then legal policies, then launching checklists, and then lastly, pro tips so you can actually grow your business. So you know what, guys? Grab your notepad and pens and let's get started. All right, guys, I know you're super excited to get into the video, but just wait 2 minutes. I have some key important information for people who have businesses or looking to start e-commerce businesses in 2025. We already know if you want your business to stand out from the crowd, it is important to build your own website with a .store domain. So .store is a perfect domain to sell anything online. One that actually helps you sell more. So when actually customers see your website on .store, they incentively know it's an online store, helping you to sell more with a .store domain. So guys, just for a limited time only, you can actually use my personal discount code and get a domain for as small as 99 cents. I'm gonna repeat that again, 99 cents, guys. Make sure you use my personal discount code below. But here's the bonus, we are not finished yet. With the .store domain, you'll also unlock free access to the plus version of Elevate.store. So from marketing tools to e-commerce software, Elevate Store provides exclusive deals designed to help you launch and scale your business. We're talking like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and many, many more. It's everything you need to succeed in your actual business. So guys, click the description in below and click my link and get your domain started. All right, guys, let's get started with step one. Here we go, guys. First thing you need to do is head over to shopify.com. Once you get there, click the start free trial. And what you will get is a 3-day free trial. And I know everyone loves a free trial. But the good thing is right now, Shopify is actually offering you the first 3 months for just $1 per month. I'm gonna repeat that again, $1, super cheap to start an actual business. Once you've done all of that, what you'd have to do is firstly, input your email. Then the second thing you must do is choose your brand name. When it comes to a brand name, come up with something very unique, very different. For example, if you have a passion for fitness, you can come up with a brand name that relates to fitness. You can call it Build Muscle. Whatever sounds good to you is definitely go for it. Once you actually choose your store name, then you set a simple password. Make sure you can remember it, nothing too technical. And then from there, what you do, you choose I'm just starting if you're actually new. So now welcome to Shopify's dashboard. This is the actual command center. So let me give you a quick talk. So the first tab you have is the home. With home, this is where you have your checklist and also your recent activity. Another tab you have is orders. So this is where all your customers' purchases you can actually take a look at because it's important to track who is buying your products. Another tab is products. This is where you have your inventory management because it is always good to stay on top of your inventory just in case you're going out of stock because everyone is buying your products. I know that sounds good. Another tab you have is customers, so you can actually see who's actually buying your product. Another one is analytics. So this is your actual store's overall data. Also, you have is marketing, super important. From here, this is where you can actually launch campaigns. And then lastly, you have is online store. And this is your overall storefront. But I'll let you know right now, on Shopify, they even have a to-do list for when it comes to setting up your actual store. Just in case you're a bit fuzzled and you don't know what to do, they ping you over the information of what needs to be completed to get your store going. So you know what? Let's jump into that and I'll explain that to you. Now, do you know what time it is? It is time to design your actual storefront. So let's get started with this now. So firstly, Shopify actually comes with free themes that are mobile optimized and super fast. So you don't have to wait for hours for it to come through. It would do it instantly. But me personally, I recommend using Dawn. Okay, it's flexible and it's also very modern. But here's the thing, choose a theme that resonates with you and your brand. Don't need to listen to me, I just like Dawn personally. But now you're in the actual theme editor. this is what you can actually do. So firstly, you can add a header image or even a slideshow to your store. You can also highlight featured products. You can add collections. You can even insert testimonials or even text blocks. Testimonials are super important because people need social proof and they need to know how your products are doing, what other people think of what being bought from you. So this is very important. Then lastly, you can also change the colors. You can even change the fonts. You can even shift the layout. The whole point is make it look the way you want it to look, what resonates with you and your actual audience going forwards. Now let's add your first product. First thing you have to do is click add product and fill in the actual key details. Now let's jump into these details. So number one you have is the title. With this now, put whatever resonates with you. For example, you could put hydrating face serum, if that is good for you. Secondly, you have is the description. With this now, this is very important. With this now, you must talk about the benefits, the ingredients, and also the use. The reason why you have to talk about the benefits is because people need to know what this actual serum can do for them. What transformation does it give? And also the ingredients is also very important because some people have allergies and you don't want to be selling a product what might irritate someone's skin or cause problems. So make sure you add all this information. Next thing you have is media. With this now, you can add 2 to 3 high quality photos. And I repeat, high quality. This is absolutely essential for any business. You cannot have images of your products and it doesn't look good. They need to look top tier at all times. Next, it is pricing. For example, put around $29.99 in there. That is just the value of your product and how much you'll be selling it for. Next you have is the inventory. And with the inventory, you have to put the SKUs and also the quantity, meaning the amount of inventory you have, what you're also selling to your customers. And then after that, you have is the shipping, which is also important. You need to know about the package weight. This is for obviously Shopify to actually log all information. But you know what? Let's jump to some pro tips I've also got for you right now. When it comes to writing description that sells, you must always focus on the benefits, like I said earlier, because the benefits of the product is the reason why people are actually going to buy it. It's common sense, we know. Also, you can add alt text to your images for SEO reasons. If you don't know what SEO is, that is search engine optimization, which is very important for every business. And then lastly, it is include lifestyle imagery and also close-ups of that product. So don't be camera shy when it comes to taking pictures of your product. Show it from all angles, the left, the right, the inside, the super close. Make sure top quality images at all times. Collections help you group related products. So think new arrivals, bestsellers, men's, women's, whatever fits your actual store. So just for an example, create skincare essentials collections. Then from there, tag products with skincare. Then from then, all you will see is show how it auto-populates. Later, what we'll do, we'll add this to your navigation so it's easy for your customers to actually browse and find you. Let's make your store easy to navigate. Go to navigation and edit the actual main menu because the main menu is the main thing people will see. So with this now, add links to the home, shop all, collections, and also contacts. From there, reorder links for best layout. I want to give you a real important tip right now. Keep your top navigation simple and clean. 4 to 5 links max, no more. You don't want to look too congested and too overwhelming because people will just get bored, lose focus, and disappear. And we do not ever want that. Now let's do something that gets everyone feeling a bit tingly. And you know what that is? That is organizing the payment gateway setup. So follow instructions and let's do this. First thing you do is head over to settings. From settings, click on payments. From there, enable Shopify's payments. It is the easiest way to accept cards, Apple Pay, and also Google Pay. Because we know nowadays a lot of people like to pay different ways. So the best option to have them all there so there's a variety. Also with that now, make sure your business details and bank information is absolutely correct. This ensures smooth payouts. You don't want to be putting in incorrect information, then all of a sudden you don't see the money. Not a good idea. Make sure it's correct, guys. Now what you're gonna do is go to shipping and delivery. Here's where you will set how much customers have to pay to ship your orders. Because imagine you're getting orders all over the world. You might get some in England, you might get some in France, you might get some in America, you might even get some in China. It is good to know that your product is being sold globally. So here's what you will do first. First, you can organize is free shipping. This is very good for conversions because who does not love to see free shipping when they're buying products? Number 2, you have is a flat rate based on the zone, okay? Number 3, then you have is weight-based rates, meaning the heavier it is, the more money it costs to post. Then number 3, you have its local delivery or even pickup. This is very good also for conversions, because if someone is local to where it can be shipped, they can just go and pick it up and save money on delivery. And this will also make people buy more of your product. So when it comes to setting your rates, think logically and think wisely and come up with the best rates for you and your business. Guys, we're getting very close to launching a store. We're nearly all set up. But the thing is, you can't skip out some real key things, and that is your actual store's legal pages. So number 1 you have to set up is the refund policy. Because in all reality, for all business owners, you don't want to get any refunds. You don't even want things to be sent back to you. You just want to sell a great product which resonates with the audience and they buy tons and tons and tons, so it builds your business. But unfortunately, sometimes you'll have to refund your actual customers for certain reasons. So this is very important to make sure you have set up for your actual shop. Number 2, it is the privacy policy. Absolutely essential, and it cannot be skipped. Then number 3, it is the terms of your actual service. Once that is all done, Shopify can auto-generate these. It will review and adjust if needed and link them in the footer menu, so everyone who comes to your store can actually see. All right, guys, we are so close to launching, but there's just 1 and 2 more things we got to do just to finish up, and then boom, we are ready to launch. So you know right now, your store is still password protected. So go to preferences and uncheck enable password. Once that is done, do you know what will happen? Boom! Your store will be launched and ready to go. Once that is all done, your business is ready to kickstart and making them sales. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you 5 tips to grow your store very fast. Number 1 is install certain apps. Apps like Judge.me, this is good for reviews. You have Klaviyo, which is excellent for emails, and you have Desfers, which is for drop shipping. Number 2, it is optimize SEO on every single product page. Absolutely essential for your business and also for your sales. Number 3 is add a pop-up for email collection using Privy or even MailChimp. Phenomenal partners to actually use to actually help you grow your business. Number 4, it is of course, connect Facebook and Instagram to synchronize your actual catalog so people can actually see your products, but most importantly, are visible to your store. Then number 5 you have is start a blog to drive traffic with keywords your audience is actually searching for, because people are very specific when they search for keywords. So starting a blog will be a phenomenal way to build that traffic and really get people to your store to buy your product. So I'm really rooting for you guys. You definitely are gonna do it. All right, guys, there you have it. Your store is officially launched and up and running. Hopefully you guys found this video very, very helpful with all the tips and obviously walking you through how to actually start your actual e-com business. But guys, all I know is I believe in you. The universe believes in you, but most importantly, you believe in yourself at all times. Because I absolutely know your stores are gonna explode and your sales are gonna go through the roof. So guys, make sure to tune in next week for another episode because I will be dropping bangers after bangers. But hopefully you love this. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and I will see you next week. See you later, guys. Nice World TV, we're out.